me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Have I been gatekeeping? I'm not a gatekeeper. My job is to let y'all know about new products. However, this one I've been using for a little minute, and I must say, when I started using it, I started getting them comments talking about, can you do an updated makeup routine? So it's always funny to watch people notice when something changes about your makeup routine. So let me tell you about this powder that I feel is kind of slept on YouTube because it's very popular on TikTok. Let's go. You can get this at CVS. I did not know that. I got it off TikTok shop. But this is the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. This retails for $22 and it comes in 10 shades. I have it in the shade Pink Rose, and you get 0.85 ounces. Puff Puff Pass in 09 Pink is perfect for brightening all skin tones. Puff Puff Pass in 09 Pink is a lightweight, finely milled, loose setting powder that makes it easy to set and or bake your makeup. Formulated with rice powder and vitamin E, this formula has natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties that keep you looking snatched and smooth all day. Puff Puff Pass has a custom heart sifter that's perfect for getting powder out evenly. Plus, every Puff Puff Pass includes an extra fluffy powder puff that makes it easy to set, bake, or touch up your makeup, even when you're on the go. Set your makeup with this gorgeous fine powder to ensure all-day slayage, even when you cry. Okay, nope. Anything else? PETA approved, paraben-free, cruelty-free, sulfate-free. Okay. So this is my first time trying anything from the brand. I have gotten comments before asking, can I review Kimchi's beauty line, but I done told y'all, like, if it's not available at an Ulta, Sephora, something in my mind just never tells me to go to the actual website. So it being available on TikTok and me seeing all the TikToks about it made it easier for me to check out. But apparently it's available at CVS. That wouldn't be where I would think you'd get it, but that's cool too. So this is my first time trying anything from the brand, and I was highly impressed. I said, wait a minute, y'all know the blurring is the thing right now. So a lot of the powders I've been using are blurring powders. There's a new Fenty one size. But when I saw this, it didn't really like emphasize it being a blurring powder, or more so a powder where its effect is how it's going to look on your face. I feel like the selling for this is how it's going to wear on your face throughout the day. It still looks good, obviously, but like it's more so about like your makeup lasting throughout the day. I can't do anything that is too mattifying on the face because I have drier under eyes and it starts to show. But any like wear test that y'all have seen recently, anything like that, you have seen this powder in that wear test. That's why I was debating, like, do I even do another wear test today? Because I've already shown it, but you didn't know you were watching a wear test in those videos. So that's why I'm like, might show you what this looks like throughout the day. But let me go ahead and put this on because I've been talking for a good little minute. So this is what it looked. Pink. Okay, I was debating what colors to get. I was thinking, do I go with translucent? Do I get a regular like shade? Do I use it for like an all over face setting powder? There was lavender, and I ultimately settled for pink. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit on my face for a little minute and go ahead and my bronzer and blush and pretty much just finish my face. All right, y'all, this is my face when I finish doing my makeup for the day. So I figured, why not do a little wear test, show you it in this video, because like I said, you didn't know you were looking at that in past wear tests, and like who's gonna go back to that. So it is 1:15. I'm going to go about my day and then come back later, and I guess I kind of told you my thoughts on this a little bit, but like wrap up all of my thoughts. So bye. Okay, y'all, so it is 10:58. This is what my face looks like. And do you see why this has quickly become one of my favorite powders? The only place where like shine, because I wouldn't say like I'm getting oily, I feel like it's more so a little bit sweat. I sweat above my brows more than I get oily above my brows, but is above my brows. You see that? And right here, the rest of my face, baby. And this is what I was saying earlier in the video. It's not necessarily a powder that I wear for how it's going to look on my face, you know, with blurring powders or, you know, to brighten or anything like that. It's more so this is going to control my oil without making me overly oil because it's drying out my face. I do have to play around when I am working with different finishes. So I am wearing the Armani foundation right now, and that is not anywhere near being a soft matte foundation. So, you know, typically I could kind of play around a little bit more with a matte powder, but this is the powder that I'm using to set my concealer, my under eye area, which is dry. So I wouldn't typically use a powder like that. So I was a little worried the first time that I did use this because it's not supposed to do that. But do you see my under eye? Do you see how it's not dry on my under eye? But my face is still, oil is not showing through on my face. Absolutely. And, you know, I'll just use like setting sprays or stuff like that for the other like blurring effects to my makeup so that everything just kind of meshes together. This is a powder. This is, you get this for how it's going to hold your makeup throughout the day. This is the powder that you get if you are trying to focus on how your makeup is going to last throughout the day, because it is going to last and your makeup is going to still look good hours later. I don't remember what time I left for the day. I want to say it was probably somewhere around 1 in the afternoon, 12, 1, something like that. And I have, you know, worn this out on the days where it is a little bit warmer in Georgia. I didn't take this with me to St. Martin because I didn't have like a smaller container to bring it with me, and I didn't have space in my makeup bag. So that's the only reason I didn't bring. So I didn't get to like try it out in like that type of climate. For anyone, you know, that follow me living under the equator, but I have tried it on like warmer days here in Georgia, and it still controls oil, all that type of stuff. My face still look, I mean, again, you guys have seen it in the last few wear tests that I have posted. I purchased this in mid-January, mid or late January or something like that. So wear tests that you've seen have included this powder, and it works with other brand products, other foundations, other concealers, other powders as well, because I do also use this with the one size pressed powder, and it just, look at my face. Look at my face. I do like the color that I went with, the pink powder. I would still try this like a banana shade, the lavender shade, and the translucent shade. I don't necessarily think that I would use this as like an all over face powder, just because I typically use a pressed powder for that, but they do have those colors if you wanted to use it for a more like your skin tone type of powder. But baby, this is one. TikTok be hyping up a lot of stuff because of TikTok shop, right? And there are some people like all they post is TikTok shop stuff. So I do understand when people are a little hesitant when it's very hyped, overly hyped, but so far, I done tried that Ramen D lip liner kit. I mean, it's gone off my lips now, but I've been using it ever since. And this, I've been using it ever since I got it. So if you guys wanted a little review on this one, those are my thoughts on this. So you can get it on TikTok shop. I did see at CVS, and of course there's Kim Chi's actual makeup brand website. And yeah, those are my thoughts on this. I hope seeing it has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.